So this morning, I wanted to share a little bit about a really important topic that I see has been condemned for a very long time. And my little grasshopper friend over here, who met me while I was cleansing my menstruation undies, then in nature, came and sat on my hand and said, you know what? It is the time. We need to stop. Stop being made wrong for a natural process that happens. So in the last 24 hours, I have been sharing with a number of males in society about the fact that, oh my God, I'm menstruating. And that word might ook some people out. And the word period might gross some people out. And then it has all kinds of names like George, you read 10 times. Yet this sacred time for women is a really powerful time. And honoring that wisdom that comes from being really inviting into that period, excuse the pun, but really going deep into it and recognizing what we're letting go of. Because unfortunately, not everybody, I'm saying men or those who choose to drug their bodies enough not to receive this beautiful lesson time, then they're missing one of the really potent times in our cycle. Not only does it allow us to connect with the sky above and the earth beneath us, creating us as a conduit of love, it also gives us space to bring in new and create parts of us that need to be exposed. If we choose to numb that down and push it away, then we're denying what it means to be a woman. And at Roots Festival, then we engage in all kinds of rituals to support the womb cycle and connecting with nature and allowing that wisdom brought this little guy to sit on my shoulder today. So if you're coming into your menarche, as in you're a young woman who is not sure how to bring this into really a sacred place, then please reach out to us. Here at Life Refinement Therapies, we really want to allow women to embody what it means to be a woman, and also bring in for the men what it means to be a man and how to hold space for a woman in that time. Because as young teenagers, we can allow men and women to support each other, stopping any kind of ostracizing, any kind of bullying, let's call it, any kind of name calling or just exclusion. As I sit here in a beautiful community down at the beach, then I'm reminded about how important community is for mental health, for success in a community, as the fall of many communities have happened. And recently being in the Northern Rivers, then I witnessed the Indigenous groups coming together and working out how to build community. And my mission here in the sunny coast is to ignite as much community engagement as possible, as to help the pandemic of the mental constraints that are everywhere in this world, subject from numerous different human conditions that have shifted since the old times. Then we have this opportunity through arts, culture, and ancient wisdom to really bring back and ignite the light, the love, and the humane way of being and coexisting with nature. And that starts with the individual. That starts with each and every single one of us learning about who we are, how important we are, how much we are valued, and knowing our worth. And that can come in a myriad of different styles and ways. Yet supporting teenagers of any age with the tools to really open them up and allow them to be the beauty and that they are through the actions of grace. And I am, putting my mission, you don't know, that's the joy of it, is I am, as my mission here, engaging in different activities that you will start to see. And I would love more teens of any age to contact me and my team, as we're going to start to create a bit of a ripple effect here. I know there's lots of things already going on, and I'm more than happy to collaborate with others, but let's get off back to the point. Your menarche, bleeding, the moon cycle, your periods, how important it is, how much love we as humans can give each other, men to women, women to men, and build that bond and connection that is really, really needed in this world. Not needed, required for humans to evolve, because greed, profits, not as in money, are slowly rising. But this whole consumerist gluttony is one of the 7 deadly sins. Just go ask Brad Pitt. Have a great day.